Secure your X account in just 1 minute. In this video, you'll see exactly how to link Google Authenticator to X, step by step. First, grab your phone and make sure the Google Authenticator app is installed and updated from the App Store or Google Play. Open the X app and log into the account you want to protect with two-factor authentication. From the X home screen, tap your profile picture in the top left to open the main menu. In the menu, tap Settings and Privacy, then choose Security and Account Access. Next, tap Security, then select Two-Factor Authentication to open your 2FA options. On the two-factor authentication page, turn on Authentication app by tapping the toggle or checkbox. X will show a setup screen. Tap Get Started, then choose to link using the QR code shown on your screen. Now open Google Authenticator, tap the plus icon, and select Scan a QR code. Point your phone's camera at the QR code from X. Google Authenticator will instantly add a new code for your X account. Back in X, enter the 6-digit code shown in Google Authenticator, then tap Confirm or Verify. You're done. Two-factor authentication with Google Authenticator is now linked to your X account, adding a powerful extra layer of security every time you log in.